Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to New Orleans, Louisiana, as we take a drive along Tchoupitoulas Street, one of the city's oldest and most historically significant roadways. Running alongside the Mississippi River, this street has played a vital role in New Orleans' development as a major port city and center of commerce for more than 2 centuries. The name Tchoupitoulas comes from a Native American word associated with the local Choctaw people who once lived in this region before European settlement. During the 1800s, the street became a bustling industrial corridor filled with warehouses, shipping facilities, and riverfront businesses supporting trade along the Mississippi River. Cotton, sugar, and other goods passed through this area, helping New Orleans grow into one of the most important economic hubs in the United States. As we continue along Tchoupitoulas Street, you'll notice a blend of historic warehouses and modern redevelopment. Many former industrial buildings have been transformed into restaurants, breweries, apartments, and creative spaces, reflecting the city's ability to adapt historic structures for modern use while preserving their character. The nearby riverfront remains active today, with cargo ships and river traffic continuing a tradition that dates back centuries. This corridor also played an important role in the city's recovery after Hurricane Katrina in 2005. Revitalization projects and new businesses helped bring renewed energy to the area, especially in neighborhoods like the Warehouse District and Lower Garden District nearby. Today, Tchoupitoulas Street offers a unique perspective on New Orleans, where working port operations exist alongside culture, dining, and entertainment. Driving here reveals the city's deep connection to the Mississippi River and its enduring identity as a place shaped by trade, history, and resilience. Thanks for watching!